Today you're going to be setting up your alien. This is one of the tougher stages to set up, so make sure you pay very careful attention to the directions and to the video. As always, we're going to go to our flash drive to open our project. Should be in your ColeStock, Game Dev, Platformer folder. Double click on the CapEx. This will launch Construct 2. Make sure under layers that we're working with the content layer and that it is not locked. It's time to add our alien. Right click on Object Types and insert a new sprite. Give it the name Alien, capital A. Click Insert. When the crosshair appears, click, go to the folder icon, and you're going to navigate to your media directory where you will find the alien sprite, aliena.png. Make sure that you're getting this off your flash drive in the ColeStock, Game Dev, Platformer, Media directory. If you want to change your folder view so you can see the sprites, you can do that here. Once again, Alien A. Click on the red X and you should see your alien on the game layout. There's a lot of things we're going to do with our alien, but before we can go any further, we need to give our alien certain behaviors. We're going to be adding 3 behaviors to our alien. The first one is called Platform. Scroll down and under Movements, select Platform. Add. Next, we're going to add a behavior called Scroll To. This is going to ensure that our alien is the center of the action. Finally, add the Bound to Layout behavior. This will make sure that our alien cannot go outside of our game layout. Once you're done, click the X to close. Our alien is going to collide with things. So before we move any further, we want to make sure that his collision polygon matches his shape. Select Set Collision Polygon and drag the red squares until it matches our alien's shape. Deselect it and move on. We need to give our alien the appearance of movement. And the way we're going to do this in our 2-dimensional platform game is by adding an animation. Right-click, Edit Animation. We're going to create a new animation called Walk. Make sure it's highlighted. You will be creating a 6-frame animation. For each frame, you will be specifying a different sprite. You will be setting the collision polygon. And then, where it says Animation Frames, you will select Add Frame. Then you will move on to the next sprite. For frame 1, it's Alien B. As you can see, I set the collision polygon, deselect it, then right-click, Add Frame. I continue this process one by one, following my instruction sheet, until I have a 6-frame animation in which all sprites have their collision polygon set appropriately. This step takes a lot of patience. Once again, for each sprite, set the collision polygon. Deselect, and then right-click, Add Frame in the Animation Frames window. When you are done, you should have 6 frames. Frame 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Refer to your instruction sheet, which will tell you which frame gets which sprite. When you're all done, you'll see one empty frame at the end. Right-click, Delete. At this point, the walk animation is done, and you can close the window. Let's change some of the properties of the walk animation. Let's speed it up to 8, and let's make sure that it loops. Great job. Now we need to add some code to our game. Right-click Open on the game sheet and click Add Event. Then double-click the alien. You're going to select Is Moving from under Platform. So anytime the alien is moving, we are going to add an action. Click Add Action and select Alien. Select Set Animation under Animations and change the animation to Walk. This means that any time that our alien is moving, the walk animation we just created will play. This will give the alien the appearance of motion. Click Add Event. Double-click System, and then select Else under Special Conditions. Whenever the alien is not moving, we're going to add an action. We're going to add an action to the alien, and we're going to set the animation back to the default. This way, the walk animation will not play if the alien is not moving. Now we need to add the keyboard as an object type. This will allow us to use keyboard events in our programming. It's very similar to what you've done before when you've added sprites. Now that the keyboard is added, we can add some more code. Click Add Event and choose the keyboard. Choose the On Key Press event. We're concerned with the left arrow keystroke event. Click your left arrow, then select Done. Let's add an action to the alien anytime someone clicks the left arrow. We are going to mirror the alien. Let's add another one. Very similar, but this time choose the right arrow. Anytime the keyboard has the right arrow selected, we are going to add an action to the alien. We are going to set the alien as not mirrored. This is what your game sheet should look like. Select the game layout, and let's test playing our game. Save it, and run layout. When your browser appears, you should see the alien. Notice how when the alien moves to the left, his appearance is mirrored. Also notice how whenever the alien is moving, the walk animation plays and gives the alien the appearance of motion. Behold the power of programming.